If you are not familiar with this case, here are a few facts about his case. Fact 1.
Fact 1.
Akai Gurley was 28 years old.
Akai Gurley was 28 years old.
On November 20th, 2014.
On November 20th, 2014.
Akai was waiting for the elevator.
Akai was waiting for the elevator.
In the pink houses in Brooklyn.
In the pink houses in Brooklyn.
With a friend.
With a friend.
When it did not arrive.
When it did not arrive.
They decided to take the stairs.
They decided to take the stairs.
A deadly decision, unfortunately.
A deadly decision, unfortunately.
Fact 2.
Fact 2.
2 NYPD officers.
2 NYPD officers.
Officer Peter Liang.
Officer Peter Liang.
And Officer Sean Landau.
And Officer Sean Landau.
Were conducting a vertical patrol in the stairwell.
Were conducting a vertical patrol in the stairwell.
A prohibited practice.
A prohibited practice.
Officer Liang was holding his gun.
Officer Liang was holding his gun.
With his finger on the trigger.
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 He fired a shot into the stairwell.
He fired a shot into the stairwell.
The bullet hit Akai in the chest.
The bullet hit Akai in the chest.
Akai then fell from the 7th floor.
Akai then fell from the 7th floor
to the 5th floor and collapsed.
To the 5th floor and collapsed.
Akai had not committed a crime.
Akai had not committed a crime.
Akai was unarmed.
Akai was unarmed.
Fact 3.
Fact 3.
As Akai lay dying.
As Akai lay dying.
Officer Peter Liang called his union rep.
Officer Peter Liang called his union rep.
For 6.5 minutes.
For 6.5 minutes.
As Akai's friend desperately tried to help him.
As Akai's friend desperately tried to help him.
Officers Liang and Landau were unaccounted for.
Officers Liang and Landau were unaccounted for.
According to District Attorney Ken Thompson.
According to District Attorney Ken Thompson.
They were arguing over whether or not.
They were arguing over whether or not.
To call the shooting into their superiors.
To call the shooting into their superiors.
They did not call for an ambulance.
They did not call for an ambulance.
Nor did they try to resuscitate Akai.
Nor did they try to resuscitate Akai.
Fact 4.
Fact 4.
On February 10, 2015.
On February 10, 2015.
Officer Peter Liang was indicted.
Officer Peter Liang was indicted.
By a grand jury for the shooting of death of Akai Gurley.
By a grand jury for the shooting death of Akai Gurley.
He was charged with second-degree manslaughter.
He was charged with second-degree manslaughter.
Criminally negligent homicide.
Criminally negligent homicide.
Second-degree assault.
Second-degree assault.
Reckless endangerment.
Reckless endangerment.
And 2 counts of official misconduct.
And 2 counts of official misconduct.
Fact 5.
Fact 5.
Officer Sean Landau received immunity.
Officer Sean Landau received immunity.
In exchange for his testimony against Officer Liang.
In exchange for his testimony against Officer Liang.
Officer Landau can never be charged.
Officer Landau can never be charged.
And he has not been fired.
And he has not been fired.
He is still employed by the NYPD today.
He is still employed by the NYPD today.
We are here today because Black Lives Matter.
We are here today because Black Lives Matter.
We are here today because Akai Gurley matters.
We are here today because Akai Gurley matters.
And we will be here every single day.
And we will be here every single day.
Until justice is served.
Until justice is served.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Hands up to the sky.
We do this for Akai.
Feel good about murdering a guy? Coward! Murderer, coward! Feel ashamed of yourself.
God is a good God. Y'all remember that. That's why I serve the Almighty God. You know why? All those charges that the grand jury got against him, they will stay. You understand me? They are gonna stand. He is not going to walk. Akai Gurley, we will get justice. Justice for Akai Gurley. Justice for Akai Gurley. Justice for Akai Gurley. Justice for Akai Gurley. Yes, we are gonna stand. We are gonna rally until we can't rally no more. For everyone that's been murdered, yes, we will. Justice will prevail.
Today, Judge Chun ruled that he denied the defendant's application to dismiss the indictment of Officer Peter Liang for the wrongful and criminally negligent homicide shooting death of Akai Gurley. We're pleased with the judge's decision. The judge stated in court that he felt the indictment was legally sufficient to proceed to trial. We are pleased with that decision, and we look forward to the matter to proceed to trial and justice for Akai Gurley in this matter.
I'm very thankful for the judge's decision today. We're grateful. Hopefully, justice is served. This is actually the next step. We appreciate it. We will be here every day as long as we have to until justice for Akai is actually served.
Once again, the family would like to thank everyone that's here in support of the family and Akai Gurley, and thank the protesters for being peaceful, and ask that they continue to honor the protests to be peaceful. They can be loud, but be peaceful. That's all we ask for.
And
thank you.
Justice for Sylvia Palmer, Akai Gurley's mom, for the entire family, knowing that today the charges has been upheld. We will not stop until justice for Akai Gurley has been done. We will not stop until Peter Liang is in jail. We will not stop until every black, brown lives that has been brutalized, murdered by NYPD, everyone has to be held accountable. Everyone.
Thank you.
Yes.